Snapping. While skimming a project, have you noticed that the skimmer doesn't move smoothly across clips? This happens when snapping is enabled because the skimmer is jumping or snapping to the various edits. The skimmer becomes highlighted in yellow when it snaps to an edit. At the top right of the timeline, click this icon to toggle skimming on and off. With snapping disabled, notice how smooth skimming is. And the skimmer doesn't highlight because it is not snapping to any edit. Toggle snapping on by clicking the icon, or use the keyboard by pressing the letter N. Snapping also works for moving clips. While dragging a clip, notice the clip snaps to other clips and edit points. Enable or disable snapping on the fly while dragging a clip by pressing the N key. Like other tools in Final Cut, snapping can be temporarily toggled by holding the N key. If snapping is getting in the way of a specific action, such as adjusting the duration of a transition, hold N to temporarily disable snapping. Make the adjustment, then release the N key to enable snapping. In addition to skimming and moving clips, snapping works with markers and keyframes. Press M to add a marker, then drag a clip and notice the start of the clip snaps to the marker. And yes, markers snap to other markers, which can make syncing video a breeze. The music clip in this project has keyframes to change the volume. While dragging a clip, notice the yellow lines indicating the clip is snapping to those keyframes. Are you going to be using snapping in your projects? Let me know down in the comments.